What are you doing in here, Pete?
I'm building something.
What are you building?
The grandma I took.
Okay, what's this? What's this called?
I don't know.
What is this? You just said it.
Legos.
These are Legos, yes, right here. These are Lego. These are kind of like Legos. What is this? This vehicle right here.
Fire truck.
It's a fire truck? All right, so what are you building?
I'm building my iTech cover.
Cover? Oh, you're making a cover?
No, I'm making a cover.
Okay. Well, let's keep building here. How would I do this part and you can do the back part?
That's got another other one. Here's one. Look. Okay, this is all green. Look, Dada. Dada.
Yeah. Okay.
Dada, should we build a princess?
Build a princess?
This middle one goes in here.
The little one?
And we need another little one. Right? Is that right there?
Perfect.
And I need that.
Oh, you need that one?
Yeah. I need to put it on top. Day 2. Whoa, Dada, you built a cow.
I built a what? A cow? Oh, okay.
We built a cow.
Oops, let's do this. There we go.
Yes, Dada. Yeah.
Does that look like a princess?
Yeah. Now we need to build a motorcycle.
Princess. Princess is right here, huh? All right, we're gonna take the princess apart. Oh.
I don't take it up.
Oh, don't take her apart. We're right here. Let's make a remote control car now. Oh, look who's coming to join us while we're building.
Yeah, that's Bubba. That's Bubba the dog.
It's Bubba the dog? Yeah, this is Bubba the dog, everybody. Bubba the Weiner dog, huh? What's his name?
But.
His name is Burt? Yeah, do you love Burt?
Yeah.
Does he sleep with
you?
Does he? Oh, he barks?
Yeah, he barks and he sleeps.
He barks and he sleeps?
Yeah, when he don't need to sleep in his bed.
Okay. All right, so here's our race car so far. Even though it doesn't really look like a car. To me, it looks like it's might be a dinosaur or a tractor. What do you think? All right.
That's a coin. Now we need to build a motor control.
Remote control? All right. Let's see.
Wait. We need to put little people in.
Oh, okay.
Daddy and Mommy and
Daddy,
kid.
Mommy, and the kid.
Yeah.
Okay. Kid looks like he's green because he ate all his vegetables, huh? Yeah. Does he like all his vegetables? Okay, good. What is Burt doing in here? All right, we need to build a remote control. Let's do this. How do we build a remote control?
You just take something.
Okay.
And then you put some red and then pink.
Some red and some pink. Okay. Perfect. That's looking good.
Now we need to put some pink
Okay, some pink.
next to the red.
Put those antennas on. They probably would go on there. Okay, but you can put them wherever you like.
Now Mommy's slide.
Wait a second. What happened? Right here.
Right there?
Is this Princess? You broke her down?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. We got our race car. We got our remote. How's our remote doing? Is it gonna work?
Ow, Daddy, you pinched my finger.
I'm sorry. Here, want me to give it a kiss? Mwah. Is it better?
Yeah, but don't make it wet.
Don't make it wet. Okay. You know what? I have a great idea. What if we went and got you your first Lego set? Because I don't think these are Mega Blocks. These aren't Legos. You want to build something real?
A T-Rex.
A T-Rex? All right, well, we're going to go to the store right now, and we're going to find you your first Lego set. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yes? High five. Let's do this. All right, where are we going right now?
We're going to pick up a new Lego set.
What store are we going?
Home Depot is.
Home Depot. Home Depot sells Legos now. We're going to Walmart. Hey Reese, what's that place over there? Yeah, it's Home Depot. Okay, Reese. Wow, Daddy needs a shave. Where are we at?
What?
And what are we getting?
A new Lego set.
A new one? No, your first Lego set.
Now we're going to Walmart. Whoa.
What?
We need to get a car first. Yeah, I want that one.
Which one? You want this one?
The one of these.
Yeah?
And they want to sit in it.
Yeah, we need to figure out how to buckle you up. Looks like it might be broken. Oh, this is like a big car. Look how big this thing is. Show everybody your mask. Ooh. We didn't get the big car, right?
And
Are we getting to the toy section? Oh, what are these things?
I don't know. The dinosaurs.
Yeah, but they're not Legos. Which way are the Legos? So, which one is it gonna be? Do you want a fire truck? Do
I
you
want the iron truck.
You want a fire truck?
Right here.
Show me it. Pick it up.
Look, Daddy, here's some Legos right here. Let's keep going.
Let's go check out.
Oh, right there.
Yep. You're gonna put it up here and make it go beep. Turn it around. Go.
Here's a door down.
No. Grab your first Lego set. Let's go.
By the end of the year,
I was
she's gonna have Legos all over the house.
It's alright, I did it to my parents, so. Alright, Pete. What did we get today?
A new iron.
Good. A new fire truck? Alright. And what is the fire truck?
A new Lego set.
A new Lego set? Okay, perfect. Alright, we probably shouldn't be doing this on the carpet, but for now, since we are renovating our house, this is what we have. Alright, so, what is that? What's that number on there?
2, 2, and 2.
2, 2, and 2. Okay. find one red square like that. Okay, and you find two little doors. These are little doors. So you want just one. Just one now. And then you find two little doors right here, right here. Yeah, you go to the door. I have these two. Okay. So we go. Just like this. Let's see. So they go right. Watch. One door on. And.
Yeah, I have this one. There you go. And then we take it over here. It goes here.
All right. Look at that. Check this out.
Okay, that goes there.
Oh, okay. I'm sure like that's right now. Okay, is that right? Is that close? Perfect. All right. So that's gonna go on the back side. Okay. Right here. See this? Right. This one there. Right more.
Yeah, I can go with it.
Here, no.
Yeah.
So you have to hold it and right down there. Push down nice. Push hard. Perfect.
Yeah, now it's ready.
Okay. How much more?
Let's put this red.
Now we need one more red square like that.
Yeah, and then we got the red.
One more square. I need it. Let's just got it somewhere here. Okay. Let's go right next to the other right here. Perfect. Perfect. Push it down. Push. Perfect. Okay. Now we have the third door. So we have one more one. One more square. And two more doors. All right. Grab the rubber. Move the door. Okay. So one door on here. And one door on here.
Yeah, we need some doors on here. There's another one. It goes on the side of here.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. We can have it. But before you can do that, push this where it goes. Slide it backwards. Easy. Put it again. Right like that. All right. Now push. Yeah, you got it. All right. Ready this?
Yeah, let's put these two here.
And this one's here. Get that right there. Push. Oh, yes, it's hard. Push on there. Push on there. Good. All right. Nice and perfect. Go on to the next one.
And we have these. Now the other one, these goes here. And here's this.
Now you go, guys.
Okay.
The wall side walls on fire. Right. Oh, perfect. One. We're dealing.
No, no, no.
Just look at it. Right. Don't give it. Look at the inside. Put your finger on it. I think we're just on it. Right there. You see it? Looks like this on the next side. Is that it? All right. So we got these parts right here. So we're going right next to this. Yours goes right next to it right here. You go. You're there. He's right. This one. Okay. Perfect. Good job. All right. Easy. Next up. You need a long one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's on top.
And that one.
Long one 6. Is that 6 dots on top?
Yeah, and this one.
Okay. Perfect. So we need two of those. So we go right next to that right here. Right on here.
And this yellow piece.
Now you just put it right on this. Right next to this guy. Yep. Right there. Perfect. Good. All right. Next one. Go right there. Yeah. Perfect.
Now this one.
It's easier. All right. Next one. Remember that? Now we need a yellow bar. Looks like light. So yellow windows. Or two of them both together. And you need the front grill for it.
Actually not.
The front grill for the fire. We're gonna do this right here. We're gonna do lights in the grill. The ground light. And it looks like the glow is on top. You see? Right there. Right in the middle. Perfect. Yeah. Good job. All right. Let's do lights up here. Here. Yep. 1 and 2. Here's the right. Yellow all the way. Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, these I got.
Remember that? We're moving. Up down to the other side. You're good. You're good. There we go. And then now, once you find a red block, it's got 2 dots in a row. 8. Perfect. That's it. That's gonna go right here.
Yep.
Yep. That's it.
That goes right here.
Good job. So easy. Right now, the steering wheel.
No, the other piece is on this one.
And the steering wheel and the seat. The chair.
I got it in the
Good. Perfect.
what's right here?
So the steering wheel's gonna go right in the front like that. Right there. Turn right. Yep. And go right. Yes. Perfect. Good job. And the chair. Go right. Yes. Very good. Right there. Oh. Much more like this. Like the neighbors need to. So like that. Push down. Good. All right. Done.
It's nice. It's
No, not yet. When you build it first. All right. You find this right way. Okay. You find this right way.
right
Okay.
here.
Go right into this little thing right here. Right across.
Yep.
Like this way. That's right. You're here.
Right
Got it. Good. Now one more. Put this red block. Just like that. There it is.
And this one.
Oh, just one.
One.
You go right here. Like that.
This one.
Go way back. Easy. Yep. Perfect. Right there. Go that one. There you go. See that one. Go that way. Here. Right there.
Yeah, now we need a wheel.
Hold on. Get there. Right here. Right. Right. I need these guys. Both of them. I need those two. There's one. Where's the other one?
Here's the light.
Where's the other one? I don't see. Oh, right here. Yeah. There. Like this. Right next to this guy. Yep. Push. Good. Push the guys. Push the guys. Perfect. Good. All right. Now those here. Now we need. It looks like the lights on top. There's like the lights, but they're blue.
And then
Yeah. There you go. It goes right next to it. Just like that.
right here.
Nope. No more red. See. There's a slope and the red. Yeah. Exactly. Right next to it. Oh.
Yeah, it's right there.
Go right here.
Right here.
Go this way. Yep. Go right here. All the way to that. Here. Go right now. Go right here like that. And the other one. Just like that.
Oh, it's right there.
Yep. Got it. Right here. Right. Good.
You do.
All right.
It's really right there.
Yeah. You're great. All right. Now you find two of those guys. You find two of those.
And the other one. Look
Right,
inside it.
inside in the right. That's gonna go right into this one. One on this side. Okay. Look what we're showing you here.
Yep.
Perfect.
See, it's not over here.
Yeah, that's it. You're using right. What do you do?
Now see, that's gonna be there.
All right, let's do that. All right, same spot. Perfect. There you go. That's it. All right, now you find two of those.
Hey, Arthur,
Perfect.
find it.
And you go up on top. So we're gonna go right here.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Right now. There, it's right to the floor. And then the other side.
Oh, no.
It's gonna line up a bit in the park. You can take it first. I'm sorry. All right. Moving on. 2 windows. I need two short windows and 1 long window. Make sure one. 2 windows. Okay, 2 short windows and 1 long one.
Yeah.
Good. All right. So
And here's,
that's the water.
and that's the water.
Okay. So we're gonna put those 2 windows on. They go in the front right here. Just like this. So the short one. Good. Perfect. Like that. Good. One's done. Then the other one. Yep. You're right. You're right. Nope. Nope. Look. Yep. Nope. One this way. You got it right. Just like that. See the little holes.
And this
You
one.
always see up like that. Okay. Now the one's done. Okay. Now the front window.
Yeah.
Just the front window. Nope. Look. That's right. Nope. Yeah. That's right. You got the one. That's backwards. Okay. The front's right here. The one this way. And those are right there. We'll do the rest. All right. Now you need this long guy.
Oh, it's right here.
Okay. He goes right on the front of the fire truck and across the side. Like that. Yep. Almost good.
And I can do it.
You do it. You go. No. Just go another.
Yeah, I said another one. That.
There you go. So line up.
Now do this.
And we'll see. Next up, we need 2 of those flat ones. And that one on the other hand too. That one and 2 on the flat right. Yep. 2 of those.
No, not this one. Two of these.
Yes. And the 2 red ones, they go right behind this guy. Or right there.
And yeah, then close that.
Yeah. So the white one's done. We'll finish right.
And then turn it in this.
Right. Okay. Push. There you go. And the blue one goes right in front of the light.
This one?
Goes right in front.
Yeah, this is a light.
It's like this. Is right in front. Right in the middle. You go. Yes. You go.
Yeah, wait, I see another one.
All right. Now you 2 of those.
I think it goes
The black.
Oh, the black.
Yes.
Here.
No. Look at what it looks like.
Black.
Okay. What it looks like.
Yeah.
Find those.
Hey, oh,
Okay. Good. Now one more.
okay, where's it?
Those little ladder. Right here. So that's gonna go right here like this. One. Middle one. And the other same exact way. Same way.
Two.
2. Perfect. Okay. Next page. 2 more black pieces like that. Actually, not black. Gray. 2 more gray pieces just like that. You find them?
Here's this.
Yes. That's next. It looks just like this. You see over there?
Yeah, I do.
Brown.
This one?
No. It looks like that one. You see it looks like that?
Uh-uh.
You sure?
Yes.
No? There you go.
Not here.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Right here. Hold down these pieces. So yeah, it goes to the back like this. See, go right now. And the other way. Oh, push forward. There you go. Woo. All right. Now you get one of these. You need this ladder. We're gonna make a ladder.
Yeah, I have.
Yeah. So let's see how we connect this. A little harder. So where we connect it is. Let's see. It looks a little different. Looks like that.
Yeah, I have this next.
It shows that black piece, but it doesn't do that. It looks nice. Okay, that. Okay, over there. So I need a black piece.
And then this is a light.
On this black piece right there. This one here. This one's over
I
there.
have it right here. Did I find it?
All right. So that black piece over here on the back. Over there. Yeah. All right. So the other All right. Potty break is over. Fine. I'll take that piece. Yep, there you go. It's gonna go right here. Put it on there. There you go. There you go. And you got a little handle for the ladder. Just like that. Hey, wait there. You're missing out on the fine. That piece.
Oh, yeah, it's right here.
Okay, go around the front of the ladder right here. Just like this. Yep, nice flat. Perfect. You're gonna have to push.
I know,
Okay,
right
stop here. All right.
And then let's add this to this.
So now we put the ladder on. Feels like we put the ladder on the fire truck. So the way the ladder goes on is it goes on right here like this. Easy, easy, easy.
And then we need to put anything else here.
Now we got the water in the nozzle that goes onto the handle.
What's that?
Where's the little piece? There's a little piece. Oh, I found it.
Found it?
I found it. Come over here.
Any quick.
And fire the water right here. Like that. All right, move on. We're piece there. I got the tire. Don't worry.
And the tires doesn't go
So
like
we put our 4 tires. Stack them like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 inches.
that. And me.
Good.
1,
No
2,
problem.
3, 4, 5.
All right, put the rings on there.
1, 2, 1, 2.
One ring on the other rinse. One on the right two.
One, two.
Stick in there. Doesn't matter. Push all the way over.
I can put on these. Mama.
Go there.
But what else, I'm building my ice. Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. All right, put the tires on fire. Do it. Put it on there. Hold it right. You don't roll it. You're really good, actually. There you go. Perfect. Good on. So the door goes now.
Yeah, gotta get that. Get it. Then you guys
Come on backwards. Yeah, just like that. All right, one right in there. That's actually a fire leak. You can sit right in there. Walk right in there. Fire leak. Put it in there.